Hey guys, this is Dalton from the guys who made this, and we're back with Pokemon Pyret. In the last episode, this jerk off here, he tried to teach us how to catch some Pokemon like he's a know-it-all. And I don't know, he's not. He caught a Weedle. That's not something to brag about. Also though, he gave us this thing, this TTTV, and what that does is. Actually, I've never opened this before. This is weird. I like the music though. It's like a ball game or something. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Anyways, with all that aside, we're gonna go make some progress. And we're gonna start doing that by going to Route 2. Oh yeah, here we go, Route 2. Oh, it's exciting. Actually, let's just do this first. We can go through the grass. We can maybe catch some wild Pokemon, which aren't that. There we go. And look, it's a Caterpie. Oh, how exciting! It's what I've always wanted. It's a bug. It's good. But that's cool, I guess. I mean, not really. Oh, that was alright. Oh well. I guess we could go back here because there's actually another place that we can go to catch some Pokemon that might actually be worth catching. At least I'm pretty sure we can go there now. Yeah, it looks like it's right here. Hey, look, here it is. Just like I said. And never mind. Oh, never mind. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Now we're in business. We're in the money. And oh. It's a Mankey. Exactly the thing I was looking for. Well, here we go. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna fight your monkey with my turtle. Boom. Take that, monkey. Yeah. Are you mad? Mad because you look mad. Oh, okay, so you're just gonna stare at me angrily. That's what you're gonna do. Sure. Okay, sure. Yeah? Well, now I'm gonna compress your entire body into a tiny sphere. Yeah, how's that feel? Probably not too good. Yeah, I'm surprised you don't die in there. But hey, that's okay because I'm gonna make you fight for my entertainment now. So it's all cool. Light and agile on its feet, and ferocious in temperament. When angered, it flies into an uncontrollable frenzy. That's my Safari guy voice. Capture? Yeah, I want to. What do I want to name it though? How about? I don't know. Blurg. Sure. Why not? That's also an anagram for a girl. Yeah, it is, but he's a boy. And he's not very smart, so he's not gonna figure that out. Oh well. I already have one cheesy nickname that's sort of clever. I can spare one that's not to be that thing that I just said. Yeah. And now, we're gonna heal up. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, we have two now. Oh, you've grown so much over the past two episodes. This one's not over. Look at that. We're like an unstoppable force or something. How happy. Well, I'm probably gonna train my... Alright, so we're back. Basically, I went around and I bought a bunch of Pidgeys and Rattatas, and I got Lurg up to level 7, I'm gonna claw up to 9, and Lurg learned Low Kick, which I'm not gonna show because I'm too lazy. Okay, so anyways, we're back on Route 2. This is what route this is, isn't it? Yeah, sure. Okay. So we're back, and we're just gonna keep heading north. And now we're not on Route 2 anymore. Right now we're not. Oh, technically, yeah, no, okay. And we're in the Viridian Forest. That's right. What the heck are you? I came here with some friend. Oh, okay. Talking about. Oh, cool, an antidote. Yay. That's for poison. If that weren't obvious. It was obvious though. Oh look, it's this thing. Oh boy, gotta love a Caterpie. Well, oh nope. Thought there would be nothing up there. I was having mistaken. And we're fighting another Caterpie. Oh boy. You know, I really don't feel like fighting a Caterpie right now. So game, you could go ahead and throw something else at me like any other Pokemon. That'd be great. I mean, okay, I know I said any other Pokemon. I didn't really mean any other Pokemon. Maybe like something interesting? It's like cool? I don't know. I mean, Weedle and Navigator, they're okay. But just not for the purposes of what I'm trying to do here. You know what I mean? Yeah, because I'm not sure we're on the same page here. I've just started playing this game and I think it already hates me. I mean, while I was grinding, I was trying to look for Rattatas because I can get damage at whatever. No, what is it? They're weak to it, let's just say that. They're weak to that. And it gave me like 10 pages in a row? And I don't know what's up with that. Okay, well this isn't much better. In fact, it's actually worse. Because, I mean, at least Caterpie can attack. Metapod just sort of... Oh, here we go. First trainer battle. Here, what's happening? Here we go. Oh. Well... Alright, let's do this thing. Well, that didn't work. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!